What up, what up, what up? Rowdy coming right back at you with another one, man. Hey, yo, for everybody that came in on that first video, man, salute, man. I appreciate the love, man. You know what I mean? But yo, I'm gonna get right at it, man. We gonna get right into learning this crypto, man. We ain't playing no games with it. So I'm gonna show y'all what I done learned already, man. Because the first thing that I was noticing, man, I was noticing that they had some pictures out here, man, selling that they call NFTs, and these joints were selling for millions of dollars. Some of them were selling for thousands. So I was like, yo, in my mind, I'm like, yo, what's going on here? What's going on? How they selling pictures for like, you know, crazy money like this? So I got into digging into what this was, man. And the first thing you got to check out, man, is what is an NFT, man? You know, an NFT is a non-fungible token, and it can technically contain anything digital, including drawings, animated GIFs, songs, or items in video games. That is the key to this thing right here, y'all. Remember that right there, yo. Non-fungible means it is individual. The opposite, fungible, has examples like Bitcoin. The Bitcoin can be swapped for another. They are identical. So basically, this is like a one of. This is like a one of, y'all. Now, if you tap in NFT metaverse, they got this thing they call the metaverse out there right now. Even Facebook then changed their name and rebranded their thing to the metaverse, right? Now this metaverse is gonna be crazy because you see like this picture right here. You got some pictures like that that sold for like 2-3 million already, B. And I'm sitting up here scratching my head asking myself why, and I did the research and I found out why. Because some of these pictures are gonna be characters in video games. Now on these new games nowadays, for all y'all gamers, I'm not really a gamer, but for all y'all gamers, they coming out with some pay to earn games. So you could basically go on these games and play and win money, cash, crypto, whatever you wanna call it, B. You understand what I'm saying? So these are some of the pictures that's going to be in the megaverse, and now I'm understanding the value of these pictures because you could buy a picture now for cheap, and that picture might be used in a future video game, and you will be able to get your residuals, or the value of that picture comes up. Sometimes it's the weapon in the video game that you own, and it's just crazy, man. You got to check this joint out, man. You got to check out this. Don't let this go over your head till it's too late. Get in the game from now, man, and be ahead of everybody when this bus is off, y'all. I'm telling you. Here you go. You got some other NFTs. Even Jay-Z got an NFT out here right now, y'all. You know, a lot of the rappers is involved in this, man, and I don't think like enough is being said. A lot of people is blind to what's going on. As a matter of fact, I'm realizing right now when I listen to Jay-Z's album that dropped a few years ago, Jay-Z was dropping bombs about this crypto and this NFT in his joint, man, and it went right over a lot of our heads. Nas as well. You understand me? We gotta look into this. All right, y'all, if we look right here, man, we got the top 10 most expensive NFTs ever sold. Check this out, man. This joint right here sold for 4.37 mil. This right here. Now that's crazy right there if you ask me. This joint right here sold for 5 mil. That's number 9 on the list. This crypto punk joint sold for what? 5.5 mil. This joint right here sold for 6 mil. I mean, I can go on and go on. That's just the number 6 one. I don't even know what the first one sold for. This joint right here sold for 69 mil. Number 1. Number 2 sold for 11. So, you know, when you see those type of numbers, man, you got to investigate. Now, remember, y'all, I said investigate. We got to investigate this. Don't go throwing your money up in nothing before you know what's going on. You understand what I'm saying? I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just learning, and I'm showing y'all what I learned. Y'all got to take these little tools and go for yourself. Do your own research on these joints. Don't ever just let somebody tell you something. There's information on everything, and you can go out there and get that. If you tune in on the channel, we're gonna be going out there, going through the information together. I'm gonna just do it publicly, what I'm doing, and you know, I've been doing a few things already, been invested in a few stocks, then bought a few, and then another thing y'all need to know that it's not just NFTs. It's crazy ways out here to get money off this crypto. You understand me? You can stake your money. You can buy miners. These miners are like little machines that make money for you every day, make crypto for you. You just sit back, passive income, baby. You understand what I'm saying? You can invest into these baby stocks like it's just so many ways, y'all. You know what I mean? Y'all got to get into this crypto thing, man. But yeah, like I was saying, yeah, it's so many ways to get money, but today we just going to talk about the NFT. Just wanted to give y'all a little oversight on what's about to come with these video games. It's about to be pay to earn video games, and it's going to be a lot of money in that right now. You understand me? So anyway, y'all, we about to get up out of here. If you find any value in the video, man, don't forget to like it, man, and stay tuned, man. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, man, if you want to get into this crypto space. You understand? Because that's where we at. That's what we're going to be talking about, and that's what we're going to be learning, and this is where we're going to get our financial freedom from, y'all. This is where we're going to find financial freedom. You know what I mean? Peace out, y'all. Have a blessed day.